Alright, I'm going to do a bear portrait. I'm going to start with his head. Here's his nozzle, or excuse me, his nose, and then his head, his ears, and then his body lines, nose, mouth, chin, okay, eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to draw the circle lines in here. Okay, spread them out just a little bit. Thickness, maybe like finger thickness. These I'm going to go curve lines across. Actually, I'm going to line it up with his eyebrow line there. So see this eyebrow line here? I'm going to line it up on there. Curve line, curve line, curve line, curve line. Actually, we're going to go like this. Switch this up. I'm going to make his other ear about the same size. And then I'm going to do, hatch lines in here. But then around here, I'm going to go like this. Okay, then his body, curve, curve, and then they get bigger. Okay, now Sharpie the big details so that they stand out. I'm going to do a little chin around him. Leave a little white space in his eyes for highlights. Now I'm going to do around the outside. I'll do this line too because I want that to show up really well. And I'll do a tongue in here and black around the outside for the bear. Okay, cute. Now, hatching lines. I'm going to start in here with the hatching lines, and they're going to go circular. There we go. And curved around the nose. Okay, little lips. Okay, now hatching lines in here. Curve around the head. Let's do little hatching lines in the lips. This gives our drawing the illusion of texture. Hatching lines out here. And I spread them out a little bit, and now I curve them and come to the outside to curve it a little bit. Makes it look 3D. And do hatching lines around the outside here. And then on the inside. Curve. Okay, now down around his body, I'm going to spread them out. So I curved this way, I got to the middle, and now I start curving them back towards the other side. That's how you make them look more 3D. I'm spreading them out a little bit more. This makes them look a little more 3D. And a little bigger. Alright, there we go. Nice. Now I'm going to cut them out. Put the caps on the markers all the way. Okay, hold my hand on the opposite side and cut. Open the scissors all the way up. Start out slow and curve. When I get to just about the end of the scissors, I stop and I continue on. I adjust my hand on the opposite side, stop, and cut around. And you can see how I sketched so lightly that those little pencil lines hardly show up. Cut and turn around. Alrighty. Okay, now he's ready for his background. And remember, a little dot does a lot. You don't need a big slopping mess of glue, okay? Alright. Have fun with your portraits, kiddos.